We got the Fat Joe Fridge 48 coming in hot at y'all today. I'm talking Fridge 48 single axle trailer package with the double burner up front. Let's check it out, guys. Built by TMG Pits here in Knoxville, Tennessee. On the front, we've got our double burner setup. What that is, we got two 10-inch cast iron burners underneath here, individually regulated. Set your pot or pan up here, or fold down your 1/4-inch plate griddle top here. Great for smash burgers, doing breakfast while you're smoking. Speaking of smoker, we got our Fridge 48, probably our most popular backyard unit here. We'll open her up. Guys, all of our fridge models, they do come in different sizes. They all come standard with 3 trays in here. This one, he did add a set of charcoal pans. What that is take your reverse flow plates out, set your charcoal pans down the bottom. You can use it like a charcoal grill. Works great. Like I mentioned, this is a reverse flow pit. What that means is we got plates in here that direct the heat all the way across the bottom, then back out of the stack. Makes it run very even inside. Got the Fat Joe Barbecue logo on there. Pop open our hot box. This is our 30-inch hot box. 5 sliding trays in here, guys. Y'all know the deal. Totaling 1,776 square inches of cook space. Guys, that's just because we love America. Now, the way this hot box works is it runs independent from the smoke chamber. We got a removable plate with daisy wheels. Allows you to run it hotter in the smoke chamber, cooler, or you can open it up and get direct fire in there. On the firebox side, we've got a insulated firebox. Still got your fire and magnet cradle in there. Come around on the passenger side of the rig, we've got a stainless steel prep top that folds up. You got your storage underneath, fold it back down, prep off of it, serve off of it. Umbrella holder on the side, stainless steel fender topper, little more storage up front. Fat Joe, my man, you're ready to go. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.